Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at some indicator slash headlights that we got from Temu. See if they're any good, throw them on, show you how to throw them on. Let's go. First of all, the wires are quite short, so instead of stripping that down, we're going to extend the wires from here. So we'll do that first. Now they're extended. I know the colours don't match, but we've got two lives and a negative. We'll go fit into the car. To make it a bit easier to get the wires through, we're going to take out the front grille. It's only 4 screws, so we'll pop that off now. After feeding the wires through the back, you can then go ahead and connect them to your side light, your indicator light, and to the negative. This is just for test. Then you can stick on the slip. Give it a test. And then we've got some Temu lights. Nice and easy to set up. Fairly hidden. Went on. Cost about £4 maybe. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.